Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. This is Antonio, and today we will help you understand the Cardano project and their token ADA. If you're new to the channel, before we start, subscribe and hit the thumbs up to help the channel get some visibility and to get notified when new content is released. This channel was created to make crypto information easy to understand so anyone without crypto knowledge can get started. Just a quick disclaimer, nothing on this video is financial advice or purchase recommendations. This video is only intended to show you the basics on the Cardano project and nothing else. So, Cardano was founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, and it is deemed by many to be the Ethereum killer once their smart contract upgrade is live in August. I think the guy knows a thing or two about Ethereum since he was the co-founder, and he knows what needed to be improved. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain network, which uses the token ADA. If you don't know what blockchain or proof-of-stake means, we have separate short videos on both subjects, and you need to consider watching those. Cardano blockchain is called by some Crypto 3.0 because it has very advanced features and a very engaged development team and a development pathway since the beginning. Cardano has a fast system to send and receive money with minimal fees. It is working on their smart contract feature at the moment, and their development has been divided into 5 phases. And you can see on their website on the screen right now. The link will be in the description for you to read further. But the areas are divided into Byron, Shelley, Goguen, which is the current era, Basho, and Voltaire. Right? So they each tackle different capabilities and add upgrades to the system. And the development team is constantly working on their upgrade. Some recent news, Cardano partnered with Save the Children nonprofit organization to allow the foundation to receive ADA donation without any intermediaries to help fund those who need the money with minimal fees. Alright guys, so I'll just show you the tradingview.com website for Cardano so you can have a look at the chart and see how much the currency has been progressing in terms of price. From the beginning of the year, from the week of January 4th to date, the price has risen close to 959%, close to 1,000%. So if you had put around $1,000 in the beginning of the year into Cardano, by now you have almost $10,000. So the price has risen dramatically, right? And this is going in line with the crypto market and also with the developments into the currency. So this is something for you to keep an eye on. And you also, when you invest in cryptocurrency, you have to keep up with the news and see what the development team is doing with the currency, or if there is any upgrades coming up that will most likely move the price in a positive direction. Cardano is a very exciting project and there's a lot of information that we can put in a video, but we like to keep our videos short and straight to the point without overcomplicating it. But we hope you enjoyed the content on this video. If you like this video, we have a series of videos on other projects to consider watching. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell notification to get more information on the world of crypto when we release our new content. And we see you on the next video.